Well, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we'll be discussing about identity operators. Identity operators compare the memory location of two objects. There are two types of identity operators. The first time is see if it evaluates true if the variable on either side of the operator point to the same object and false otherwise. Other one is not. It evaluates false if the variable on the either side of the operator points to the same object and true otherwise. So let's see, for example, let us declare a variable. Let's run this. So here, as you can see, is A is B. So is A B? So here A is assigned as value of 10 and B is assigned to a value of 10. So is A B? They both are assigned to value of 10. So the both are equal. So yes, A is B. So it returns a boolean value true. Is A C? Is 10 5? No. So it have returned false. Is A is not B? So A is B, but 10 is not 10. So it's false, right? So it have returned false. So that's it for today's session. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and please comment. Thank you. Thank you for watching.